Maintaining good hygiene is essential for bedbound clients to prevent skin infections like rashes and ulcers. Today, we'll walk you through how to give a bath to a bedbound client, ensuring they stay clean and comfortable. If you find our tips helpful, subscribe to our newsletter at OTProAcademy.com and our channel for more caregiver resources. And if you're already a subscriber, share this video with someone who could benefit. What you'll need: disposable gloves, linen cart or trash bag, hand sanitizer, gentle non-irritating soap, 2 basins, one with warm water, one with warm soapy water, 4 washcloths, 3 towels, lotion, waterproof draw sheet or a large towel. Check the links in the description below for these items. Let's get ready. First, adjust the bed to waist level to prevent straining your back and lock the bed breaks to keep everything stable. Gather your supplies and keep them within easy reach. Make sure the room is warm enough to keep the client comfortable during the bath. Protect the bed by placing a waterproof draw sheet or large towel under the client to catch any excess water. Lastly, wash your hands and put on your gloves. Communication is key. Explain to the client what you're going to do and encourage them to participate, and let you know if they feel uncomfortable at any point. Start with the face, gently wiping the eyes, forehead, chin, ears, and neck with a moist washcloth. If the client can, let them wash their own face and pat the area dry with the towel. Next, uncover one arm and shoulder. Use a soapy washcloth to clean the shoulder, armpit, arm, hand, and between the fingers. Rinse with the wet washcloth and pat dry. Gently clean under any skin folds on the chest and stomach. Pat dry and cover the client to keep them warm. Clean the thigh, lower leg, foot, and between the toes. Cover with the blanket and wash the other side. Be extra gentle with clients who have diabetes, as your skin can be more fragile. Rinse and pat dry. Help the client roll onto their side using a draw sheet. If you need a refresher on how to roll a client, check out our previous video linked in the description. Clean the back and the buttocks, checking for any redness or sores. Rinse, pat dry, and apply lotion. Use a fresh washcloth to clean the front genital area first, then the back. Pat dry thoroughly to prevent infections. Assist the client to lie back on the bed. After the bath, make sure the client is completely dry. Apply lotion as needed. Dispose of all used washcloths and gloves properly. Clean your equipment and wash your hands thoroughly. Keep the client informed by explaining each step to help them feel more at ease. Always prioritize the client's comfort and safety. Encourage participation to boost their independence. Look out for any rashes or sores and seek medical advice if necessary. By preparing thoroughly, handling gently, and maintaining clear communication, you can make the bed bath a comfortable experience for your client. We hope these tips help. Let us know if you found this guide useful by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and check out our channel for more caregiver resources. Links to the items used in this video are in the description below. See you next time!